Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Maryland Elementary School, home of the Makos in Vista, California. This is my second visit for this school year. Been here many times though before for 2024-2025, part of the Vista Unified School District. Got to speak to the AM, PM students again, the students and staff, and today's focus was on leadership and turning our passion into our purpose, right? So this means that our passion, which starts in our hearts, that whatever we love to do, whatever brings us life, makes us come alive, that we start using that same passion to go and help others, right? Which is our purpose. And you know, this shirt that I wear for this particular assembly, it's the peace sign, but you see it's in the shape of a heart too, right? Talking about the passion, but also different colors, because there's so many different ways to be a leader, right? Some of us lead vocally with our mouths. I talk a lot. Some of us are more quiet leaders. We kind of lead under the radar, right? And there's no right way or wrong way to be a leader as long as we're doing something positive for this planet, as long as we're letting our light shine. Like we talk about the starfish and even making a difference, so small actions, small acts of kindness, even one can make a huge difference. And the students really got that today, through a series of heartfelt stories, the inspirational videos, the positive music, and just the picture slides, the physical props too, that kind of reinforce everything that I'm trying to really impress upon their hearts. The pin drop moments that we had, you could tell that something was starting to sink in. And it's so important, that part of our passion is the people around us. And I always say people first, things second, right? That becomes part of our motivation for what we do. And just like Dr. King said, and just celebrated, his MLK Day here in January, just the previous month. But, he said, life's most important question basically is what are you doing for others? Not just yourself, but what are we doing for people around us, right? That we're still having that high character to still do the right thing even when no one's watching, that we are thinking about our legacy and what we want to be remembered for, right? But also that we're doing things for the right reasons too, right? Not just the trophy or to get paid or like all the accolades or the awards, but really, really we're focusing on doing something that is, even greater than ourselves, right? And that's how we start to make this world a lot better place, a lot more of a peaceful place. And so that's why I talk about, the fact that, it's one thing to talk about leadership and say that I want to do this, but then we have to go and lead that, right? We have to be the leaders that we want to be for this planet, right? And go and lead that change. And the students really take that to heart, right? To remember, again, how important each of us are and that we all play a very important piece in this world. And so that always ties into every assembly I give. I bring up this concept too, and the students remember that. But the M on all of our hands, I always trace mine with a washable marker. But with the lines on our hand, we have letter M, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it. Have at least one in each hand. That M stands for miracle and for Maryland Makos. But upside down W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And we have to buy into that, right? Because a lot of students I speak to, adults as well, over the years, sometimes they've never been told that, they've forgotten that. And we can go and be that light to their heart if we choose to. So thanks for touching my heart. It's just always beautiful getting to come here, getting to interact with our young people that are picking up that torch to bring greater change, a positive change to their communities, their schools first and foremost. So again, just feel like I'm part of the family here, and keep just being those leaders that this world desperately needs. As always too, if you'd like to follow or subscribe, hit the button that you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.